Well, we'll call it slow improvement. We've still got a lot of cloud cover hanging in, but at least the rain has more or less let up, and it was fairly widespread across southern counties this morning. Check out the precipitation distribution. Northern Kentucky, not much of anything. We were in I-64, the Bluegrass and I-64 kind of the dividing line. You went north, it was dry. Here, the rain started, and down south, it really ramped up. And in fact, there are 7/10 of an inch totals coming out of McKee, half an inch in Barberville via the Kentucky Mesonet, over an inch in Albany, just outside the LAX 18 viewing area. So, yeah, it did get wet. And there's still some folks dealing with rain, low cloud cover and light rain, very light reflectivity on the Max Track into eastern Kentucky, running from Corbin up through Prestonsburg. So still a hint of some showers hanging on at the tail end of the batch that went through this morning. And of course, it was much more substantial. We did even have some lightning mixed in. This is where it's all concentrated right now. So along the stationary front that's been hanging out there the last couple of days. Snow still persisting across parts of Michigan. And here comes a front that'll sweep through later on this evening. Really all it's going to do is keep things quiet, keep things tamped down, keep the air relatively dry, but then the moisture surges back in tomorrow. So showers likely. Probably not as heavy as what we saw down south this morning, but on again, off again through much of the day before we finally see another front sweep through and clear those out tomorrow night. And then things do calm down for your Thursday. So we're all about the temperatures the next few days because we've got a lot going on as far as that's concerned. Low to mid 60s today into tomorrow. Wednesday's high in the mid 60s will only be a few degrees shy of the record high, 68, which is the record high today as well. So the next 2 days we've got a record of 68. A little more easy to get close to tomorrow thanks to that warm surge, even with all that cloud cover around. But did you notice the temperature drop out there at the end? This shows the departure from normal, and you're seeing this very warm bubble that has become a very persistent feature this winter so far. Watch the Arctic air load up and then gradually dive southeast. Over the weekend, we'll have another little warm surge with some rain, and then all of a sudden, this is Sunday through middle of next week, you can see that colder air blossoming and pushing east. This is not going to be some kind of record-breaking Arctic outbreak. It's just going to actually feel like winter around here for a few days. Temperatures actually for highs may not get above freezing. At this point right now, we're just barely making it down to our average high for overnight lows. That's how flip-flopped everything is, how mild it has been running. We're a good 20 degrees above our average high today with that high in the low 60s. Few showers persist out east, otherwise mostly to partly cloudy and quiet. Tonight, low 40s, our average high for our low. And we'll start to see those clouds thicken up, and then those showers will be on and off through much of the day tomorrow. Maybe some isolated thunder showers into our far southern counties. A cooler break Thursday, and then temperatures bump back above average in the 50s with rain likely. Maybe a hint of a wintry mix at the onset Saturday morning and again Saturday evening as it winds down. But the big story, yeah, winter is here, and for more than just one day, a little bit of a cold snap brewing early to the middle of next week.